When you open the box, the first thing you'll see are your Shapes mini triangles, with the mini mounting plates already attached on the back. Next is the Quick Start Guide, full of helpful directions on how to set up and use your panels. Then you'll see your welcome card, with inspirations to help you create your design. It also contains your pairing code, so make sure to hold on to it because you'll need it during the pairing process. The next thing you'll see is the controller, which you'll use to manually control your panels and connect to the app. Next, you'll find the power supply unit that you'll be using to power your panels, and you'll find your pairing code again on the back of here. You'll also find your double-sided mounting tape, which is what you'll use to simply attach your Shapes mini triangles to the wall, with no other tools required. And finally are your linkers, these small pieces that you'll snap onto your panels to connect each mini triangle in your layout. And that's what you'll find in your Nanoleaf Shapes Mini Triangle Smarter Kit.